we're fixing to get started. This is Christy from Heritage Soap. I've got my hard oils and my butters already blended here. Fixing to add my lye water in. I'm going to have some fresh lavender buds. I'm going to make a mica line. And I've got some mica that's mixed up. So let's get started. Okay, now that I got that blended up, I'm going to go ahead and add my essential oil blend in. This is Lavender and Litsea. And I like the blend. I have just, it's basically mostly lavender, but it's just a touch of Litsea in there. Okay, so I'm going to add that in to the mixture. Okay, what I'm going to do, this is going to be the topping of my soap here. This is going to be my purple. I'm going to leave this uncolored, okay? This is going to be my base. So I have Cyber Grape Mica powder from Nurture Soap. I love Nurture Soaps. Mica, if you've never tried Nurture, give them a try. I've got it already mixed up here with some almond oil. You see there? I'm going to add this in. Okay. All right. So let's mix up our mica. Okay. So I'm putting my base down. Alright, so got it in there, and this smells amazing. Got a little mix. And I'm going to pour high. There it is. I'm going to pour really high. The higher you pour your soap, the deeper it goes into the bottom. And my molds come from Nurture Soap Company. I love their, I love everything they have pretty much. I love their glitters, their micas. So this is my hanger swirl tool. I'm going to put it in. And there's no right or wrong way to do it. Just put it in. I'm going to give it a few passes. And there's, like I said, no right or wrong way. And then you're done. See how pretty that is, though? Solid mica. Okay, and this next pour that I'm going to do, I'm going to pour really low, and I'm not going to break through this. And I better get this in here because this is really starting to set up. Alright, so welcome back. We're going to cut our lavender loaf. It's all nice and hardened in the mold, so we took it out. I'm going to flip it because it has some herbs on the top, some lavender buds, and I don't want that to dry through my stuff.